In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a CMS collection in Webflow. If you're looking to tidy up your Webflow project by removing an unnecessary CMS collection, you've come to the right place. We'll make sure you know exactly how to do it without any hassle. Let's dive right in and simplify your Webflow workspace. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to webflow.com. Make sure you're logged into your Webflow account so you can access all your projects. If you're not yet logged in, you'll see a prompt to do so. Just enter your credentials and proceed. Once you're on the Webflow dashboard, you'll need to click on All Sites. This button is typically found on your dashboard's left-hand side. Clicking it will take you to a list of all the websites you've created or have access to in Webflow. This list will show each project's title and a thumbnail image of the site. Now that you're viewing your list of sites, it's time to select the specific site containing the CMS collection you want to delete. Simply click on the site's name or the thumbnail to open it. This will bring you into the Webflow Designer, where you can make changes to your site's layout, content, and structure. With the designer open, look towards the top left corner of your screen where you'll find a tab labeled CMS. Go ahead and click on that. The CMS tab is your gateway to all the collections and content items within your selected site. It's where you manage dynamic content like blog posts, portfolios, or any other custom collections you might have set up. After you've clicked on the CMS tab, you should see a list of all the collections that exist within your project. Take a moment to identify the collection you want to delete. Once you've found it, click on the collection's name to select it. This action will open up the collection, allowing you to see all its items and settings. Now, look towards the top right corner of your screen and find the Select button. Click on it. This will enable you to choose specific items within the collection. However, since we're aiming to delete the entire collection, this step is more about preparation than actually selecting items. Once you've enabled selection, you'll notice that a delete option has appeared. This is what you've been working towards. Click on Delete to remove the entire CMS collection from your site. A prompt will usually appear asking you to confirm this action. Be sure to double check that you're deleting the correct collection, as this action is irreversible. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a CMS collection in Webflow. By following these straightforward steps, you can keep your Webflow projects organized and free from clutter. Remember, managing your CMS collections efficiently ensures that your site runs smoothly and remains easy to update. Thanks for watching and happy designing.